Hey there, it's time for another Red Chair interview. I am here with our own Larry Branscombe. Larry, tell us a little bit about yourself.
I've been a commercial realtor for about 20 years. Prior to that, I owned a couple restaurants. Prior to that, I was vice president in charge of retail for about 140 retail stores. Got started in commercial real estate because one of my regular visitors to the restaurant encouraged me to get started, and I've enjoyed it ever since. It's great to love what you do and do what you love.
Fabulous. We always can tell that you love what you do.
I do. It's a great experience.
Yeah, you're always an encouragement in the office. The one thing that Larry has been very instrumental in is helping us build on our commercial real estate. Larry's been a commercial realtor for how many years did you say?
A little over 20.
A little over 20 years. Keller Williams Commercial, they launched, is it 5 years ago?
Keller Williams launched about 5 years ago. They currently have over 1,600 commercial dedicated agents. And so far in 2014, their production volume is $4.6 billion.
It's huge.
Great opportunity for someone to get in on the ground floor of a growing company.
Huge. And I love what you were telling me about. Tell me a little bit about what they have on a large-scale acquisition.
They just hired an individual by the name of Rich Uzelek, who has over 28 years of experience in commercial brokerage. He's worked with such clients as American Express, Shell, Owens Corning, different companies like that, with over $1 billion of transactions himself.
Wow.
He has been hired as Executive Vice President of Corporate Services. The purpose of his hiring is to assist local agents in expanding their business. For example, if a local agent is working with a national franchise that is opening stores in their territory, and let's say, for example, that agent is working with 5 local sites that they're trying to locate for this national franchise.
Okay.
They could call Rich and they could say, hey, listen, I'm working with XYZ franchise company. They are national. They're very excited about working with us in the Michigan market. Rich would then contact them, and if Rich is able to negotiate a national contract where Keller Williams is able to negotiate in additional states locations for that franchise, the local agent would get what's called a finder's fee.
Nice.
For example, he would get, if it's in his own state, 100% of the commission. If it's in an adjacent state, he would still get a large percentage of the volume that comes from that. So he would have residual income on a going forward basis forever.
Just from that contact.
Just from that initial contact and building that relationship locally that transforms to a national relationship.
So many things are about relationship in commercial.
Everything in commercial is relationship. What we do today builds for tomorrow.
Right.
What we do today gives us referrals for tomorrow. And we need to treat everyone with respect and dignity. And whether it's a small transaction of 100 square feet or whether it's a major transaction of a $5 million deal, each individual, each client is of significance and needs to be treated with the respect that that position deserves.
Absolutely. This is so exciting. What are some other exciting things that are happening with Keller Williams Commercial?
The great thing with Keller Williams Commercial is it provides a solid foundation for each of their agents to move forward in a productive fashion. For example, Keller Williams Commercial has national ties with REIS, which is Real Estate Investment Services, REI Wise, which allows you to do lease analysis. They also have negotiated a special rate with ICSC for membership. So what would cost you $4,000 to $5,000 to do individually is yours as a commercial broker for an $85 a month fee currently.
Right.
And it's a tremendous opportunity and tremendous value. The other thing for a new agent coming to Keller Williams Commercial, they have a series of courses that if you have never been involved in commercial real estate, they want you to take, and it gives you the foundation for success on a going forward basis.
That's fabulous. And one of my favorite things is, as well, is now we're able to incorporate our KW culture, our KW training, and our KW profit share all into the commercial market. Whereas before, commercial market has been this separate kind of thing. And now integrating all of these positive things that we have with Keller Williams, again, it's a total win-win.
I really would I wish that Keller Williams Commercial had been in place when I started 20 years ago.
Oh, absolutely.
It would be a tremendously different world today, because Keller Williams Commercial gives you a foundation that enables you to have future residual income on a going forward basis, which most companies don't. What you do today is what you have.
Right, absolutely. Now, we always have more information about Keller Williams Commercial on our website, and you are always so open with everyone. How can they get a hold of you if anybody has more questions?
Oh, they're welcome to email me at bransko@kwcommercial.com or give me a call on my cell at 616-299-6846 anytime.
Fabulous. Thank you,
great.
Larry.